Now then, where are we? I'm heading for breakfast, but I'm going to a place I've never been before. It's a place, oh thank you, but it's a place that's been recommended by a number of my subscribers. It's on Cybercow and it's called Krungs or Krungs. I think it's Krungs. So I'm going to go there and have my breakfast, and I will be checking out of my hotel, the Fog Hotel. When I get back, I'm going somewhere else for my last 2 nights. But what I've got to watch, because it's been raining and this open wound on my foot, that I do not step in any puddles and get an infection. So breakfast, plaster, back to my hotel and check out, all in the next few hours. It's not as hot today, but it's only around about 9:30. It's a Sunday, it's a final Premier League game which is on tonight. I'll watch that somewhere at 10 o'clock. And these last 2 nights I'm going to try and take it easy and just chill and wean myself off the Leo, ready for my trip back to the UK. I know it's not going to happen, but I'm going to try. Right, let's find out where Krungs is. Somewhere towards the hospital, I've been told. I've never even noticed it in all my times coming here. A number of people have told me that it's the best breakfast in Pattaya. So let's see. There's Cheap Charlie's, where I usually go. Oh, little Tillac. The old Rub-a-Dab-Dab had a soft spot for her. So there's the hospital. Where's Krungs at? Is it on this side? Is it on the left or is it on the right? Is it round the corner? As in typical Owen style, I never do any research when I come out, and as you can imagine I get a hell of a lot of comments, so I've probably got myself confused and mixed up with the comments. Someone said it's near the hospital. According to my Google Maps, it's on Soilenki, just round the corner, and that's where I've just walked past. So take a right on Lenki. I think I know what it is now. I've seen quite a few people sat back there, so we'll give that a try. But that's a lot of fun when you don't do any research, but you do make mistakes. Call yourself a Pattaya expert, you don't know where Krungs is? You've no idea, man. So it's here on the right. I walked past it. Now a lot of people would have edited that out, that mistake, but not Owen. Not Owen. I'll show all my goofs and my gaffs. I walked past Krungs onto Cybercow looking for Krungs, but now I found it.